Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install a video card. It's just a basic video card, VGA. So when we put this in, there'll be these slots in the back. Sometimes there'll be little things blocking it. You put those in kind of like where you put the video card, except it doesn't have a card in the back here. So what you do, usually this thing, it is down. There would be something like that with an arrow pointing up. Take that, pull that up, it unlocks it. Alright. That was the fun part. Yeah, that won't be in the way. So then, see how this one has certain prongs? Hold on, this one here, it has, that one slit right here. And then, it's pretty much like a puzzle piece. And then it will fit into one of these two things. I don't know about this one seems shorter. So I'm just going to put it into this one. Alright. Yeah, that could work. So there are these little things here. You can see they'll lock your card in place. Just try your best to kind of figure them in there. And then you just fit it in there, just stick it in there, and you should be all set. And then done with that, you come around here. Up here you saw that thing, remember? Push that down and it holds it down up here, so it can't come up. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.